What's going on, guys? Welcome to another A Trader Named Evan YouTube video. I'm going to be your host for today's video, Jayden, otherwise known as Firebird. And basically the purpose of today's video is to show you exactly how being involved in the Steam community market and possibly just trading items on here can just set you up really well for using the stock market when you're actually going to put some serious money into it. So let's get started. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see right now, I'm on the Steam community market, and this is not exactly how the actual stock market's set up like E-Trade, but the principle of it remains the same. So right here you have sell listings. These are the items that I have for sale, and this is the price that they're listed at, 5 cents. And right underneath in the parentheses is the amount of money I'm actually going to make from that after fees. Now with the actual stocks, they're usually not fees depending on what website you get them from, but you will have to pay taxes on them eventually. Not on here. This is virtual money pretty much, so you don't really have to pay taxes on this. And down here you can see their buy orders. So for this you can see that I have this one at 3 cents. So once this gun right here goes down to 3 cents, because right now there are a couple of bills on it for 4 cents, 5 cents, basically what this buy order does is once this gun, or someone lists a gun for 3 cents and I'm next in line to buy that gun, it'll automatically make the purchase for me. And kind of the same thing here. You list this at a certain price, and if there's a buyer at that price, it will sell. So actually right here, you can see this skin right here. I was next in line, and 2 people decided to put in their cheaper sell orders. Basically, you can see right here, there's a trend line. So you can see when things sold for, what they sold for. And there's a lot, especially skins like this, you're going to see a lot of really shaded in regions where it was selling for a little bit and up and down and up and down, because some people who already have the skins want to sell them right away, so they're willing to pay to the highest bidder, which is basically right here in the buy orders. So if you wanted to sell the skin right now for 39 cents, there are 353 people that are willing to buy it for that price. And up top you can see these are probably the people that want to buy the skin and want it right away, and they're willing to also pay a higher price. So it's kind of just more of supply and demand. Normal stock market works also because you have people that want to sell that stock. Maybe it's starting to go down, they just want to get rid of it before they lose any more money, and you have people that want to buy it right then and there. Maybe it's going up in price and they think that's going to continue. It's kind of a hit or miss thing. So and here you can see obviously things are pretty cheap. You can buy things as low as like 3 cents, I believe. If you even put a little bit of money in this game, it's not going to, you're not going to lose a ton of money on it like you definitely could with the stock market. Alright, so you can see from right here, this is Enterprise Products Partners. This is one of the stocks available on the market, and right here you see that same trend line we saw on Steam. So this is today, the day I'm filming this, and in the beginning of the day it started at 23 cents or $23.41, and went up to $23.45, and then it kind of went back down. Now it's going back up again. So you can see that basically this is whenever the highest stock that sold was. You can see right here at 4:10 p.m. on March 12th, the highest stock that sold was sold for $23.41. So there's low times and there's higher times. It's pretty much how the stock market works. You could do really, really well. You could predict it well. Maybe you buy it in a low spot like right here, kind of by the pandemic, and it could grow, and you could double your money. You could lose it all. So it's kind of hit or miss. The one difference is that on the actual Steam market, there's just a fee that you pay whenever you sell something that goes to the creators of the game and to Steam. And that's kind of like your taxes. There aren't actual taxes on this stuff because it's virtual, and I'm not actually redeeming this for actual money. This is just staying within the game. This doesn't really have taxes, unlike actual stocks that you will have to pay taxes on at the end of the year. That's just kind of an overview on how this is similar to stock trading in real life. This stuff again sells for a lot cheaper than an actual stock would, so it's a bit safer if you just want to get into it, just see how it is. So I definitely recommend doing this. If you're thinking about the stock market, do this first. Get some practice buying and selling some things. Try to buy some stuff like right here. I'm trying to buy stuff when it's cheaper, and then trying to sell it when it's higher. So that's kind of what you want to do in the stock market, and it's a really good stepping stone just to get to that point. Obviously you can go straight into selling stocks, but I think it would be better just to kind of take baby steps. Some things here, if you want to put money in the game, you can. I didn't, but you can kind of start your stock trading career here. So thank you guys so much for watching.